नमस्कार दोस्तों, आप सबका स्वागत है आज के इस वीडियो में टीपीएम अवेयरनेस सेशन के लॉस नंबर 12. Today we discuss on logistic loss. So what is meant by logistic loss? Logistic loss is the loss of productivity caused by delays, inefficiencies or unnecessary activities in the movement, storage, handling and supply of materials, components, tools or finished goods. It is like that: poor movement, long distance, waiting and delays, excess handling, poor storage, low productivity. In many manufacturing plants, production losses occur not because of machine breakdowns but due to inefficiencies in material movement and logistics. Hidden losses: this is a big impact. Reduces waiting and delays, lower handling and transport cost, improves flow and throughput, increase productivity and safety, supports on time delivery, improve logistics, eliminate waste, boost productivity. These are some of the common examples of logistic loss. First one is material not supplied to the line on time. Second one is forklift unavailable for material movement. Third one is delays in receiving raw materials. Fourth one is excessive transportation distance. Next one is improper storage location. Sixth one is waiting for pallets or containers. Seventh one is material identification issues. Eighth one is inventory mismatch. Ninth one is poor warehouse organization. Improve flow, increase productivity, right material, right time, every time. Typical example in manufacturing, like production line ready, machine available, operator available, material available in warehouse, but material reaches the line 13 minutes late due to forklift unavailability. Production stopped for 30 minutes. That leads to logistic loss. Impact of logistic loss: production delays, lower OEOP, increased waiting time, higher material handling cost, increase inventory levels, delivery delays, reduce customer satisfaction. Inefficient logistics is equal to lost time, is equal to lost money, is equal to lost opportunities. So delayed material supply, production stoppage, higher cost, lower productivity and unhappy customer. Improve logistics, eliminate loss, boost productivity. Hidden effects of logistic loss. Hidden effects like machine waiting for material, operator idle time, increased WIP inventory, emergency material movement, higher logistic cost. You can't improve what you don't see. Hidden losses, real impact, lower performance. So identify, eliminate and improve this loss. Kaizen countermeasure of logistic loss, like implement line side inventory, optimize material flow, use FIFO systems, improve warehouse layouts, standardize material handling, improve milk run supply system, use Kanban replenishment, improve material traceability, real-time inventory monitoring, ensure forklift and logistic resource availability. Eliminate logistic losses, smooth flow, on-time delivery, higher productivity and happy customers. The goal of Kobetsu Kaizen: zero logistic loss, smooth flow and maximize value. Means no delay, no wastage, only value. Deliver the right material in the right quantity, in the right place, at the right time. These are the slogan of this loss. Remember, a machine cannot produce without material and material cannot create value until it reaches the point of use. By eliminating logistic losses, improve productivity, reduce inventory cost, enhance delivery performance and increase customer satisfaction. If you find this video useful, please like it, comment, share your thoughts, share this video to your friends, subscribe this channel, press the bell icon, never miss an update. So your support helps us a lot. In next video, we are discussing about KK loss number 13, measurement and adjustment loss. Thanks for watching. Keep improving, keep growing. We'll meet in the next video.